MK is focusing on making the industrial estate with the equipment manufacturing as core business coordinated with industrial chains. The total area of Smart Manufacturing HQ is 328 mu, including R&D Center, CNC Center, Assembly Center and High-End Parts Processing Center. MK always insists on technology innovation by its own R&D, and 7% of annual sales revenue has been invested in R&D. The joint development in both China and Germany enable MK owns 1,041 patents in both licensed and invention total. The CNC Center, equipped with the world's leading processing equipment and technology, ensures high precision and high-quality key components. The High-End Part Processing Center provides the high-precision parts for equipment from both HDB and MK. Its capability in line with Industry 4.0 assures the equipment quality. MK devoted in providing the total solution for packaging and printing plant, via the coordination and integration among the digitalized IT management system, automatic logistics system and smart manufacturing equipment, so that the workshop management and productivity can be raised. In addition to the manufacturing HQ, MK also owns service facilities and e-commerce logistics to realize the comprehensive industrial coordination and empower the main business. Marbach Masterwork, the JV by MK and Marbach, which is famous and leading tools making of die cutting, enables the local manufacturing of high-end cutting dies and then offers the world's leading customized die cutting tool solutions. MK Laser produces the high-quality sheet metal for MK's equipment by the most advanced smart production line imported from Trumpf, Germany. MK Green Packaging Materials provides the whole packaging solution mainly for pulp molding, and also technical service related to its products, mold design and manufacturing and equipment. Cloud Printing provides the one-stop web to print service for customers. MK Health produces 2 million masks each day in the clean workshop with 100,000 GMP and total area of 2,000 square meters for 22 automatic mask lines. E-commerce Logistics Hub is focusing on being the benchmark of world-class logistics via bringing in Itochu Logistic Japan. Since its startup and put into operation, the HQ of MK Smart Manufacturing has been continuously initiating new vision for future development, and opening up more growth opportunities for Masterwork.